广场。Up by the border, up in northern Macau, a little random street that no one could expect. Praceta do bom Sucesso, walking around in old Macau, coming across Praceta do bom Sucesso. Oh, 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 my, Macau, going all around, my, Macau. Praceta do bom Sucesso. Yeah, Praceta do bom Sucesso. Checking out Praceta do bom Sucesso. Yeah, 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 Praceta bom Sucesso.
É Praceta do bom Sucesso, the good success, the plaza of good success. That street I've never noticed before. It's not even on the map, because I've looked at the map and I try to think of where I haven't been, and there'll be streets that I haven't seen before, and that is one of them. Let me give you some context before we walk down it. But right over there is Zhuhai, China. This moves traffic from the border, and then you can see Zhuhai, China over there. So there's like a clock and some hotels, and then this is the border of Macau, and we're on this street that's called the Hippodromo, and we're going to be walking down our Success Street, and we'll show you what it looks like. But let's put it up on the map first so you know exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay. You know, I think the street, there's a lot of construction right here. So I'm going to walk down a little bit, and I might double back, because I think our street has construction in the middle of it. So I'm going to walk around that construction. Let me just kind of give some context to where we just came. There's like a barbecue place. So there's just basically some mechanics, and then they're building all of this with this barrier here. At our street, I think we'll go down this way first and try to capture it best that we can. And I believe it's going to end here, but it's actually going to be on the other side too. So we're going to do that. So we'll come all the way down. Just try to give some full context to everything. Phone booth. So that actually goes to the border as well. So if you want to go to the border, you go down that way and then go across. So that's all part of Zhuhai. And then we saw those buildings over there, part of Zhuhai. So basically Zhuhai is all on the other side of this. And then it looks like our little square. Yeah, I used to be able to park here. I guess you still can. So they can park here and here. But this used to be all one big parking, but they're going to build something new there. That's the name of it. Those are the apartments around it as well, including these big massive ones up there. So we're going to walk on the other side of this construction. So we'll walk down that way. Before we do, we're going to come around like this. Try to give some context to everything. Kind of cool looking apartments here, have their own character, their own style. And we're in this area called Portelos, and we'll walk. These right here have typhoon references, so that's because of the typhoons, so they don't want the winds to knock it down. So it's kind of a leftover. of the typhoon. Okay, so let's continue down our target street. That's the construction over there. Okay. Doesn't look like this. It probably looks funny that I'm filming in this area for people that are walking by. But I just want to like document all the different streets in Macau. It's like I've almost done so many now that someday there'll be a record of it. People will know what these streets look like in 2026, and I started in 2019. There's the backside of the shrine. Love the trees. Okay, so we are going to just kind of take a look up and down the street real quick. Then this street can take you all the way towards Taipa and towards the bridges in Taipa to the far south. Over there is all Zhuhai, China. So all those tall buildings on that side. And there's like actually that green border. There's a border gate right there. And there's stuff on the other side. I don't know if they're building on the Zhuhai side or if they're expanding the Macau side. I'm not sure which. And we'll capture some of these as well. Okay. Pretty beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna just come back to where we started at, and then we're gonna end the video, but at least you got another slice of Macau. This is what it looks like on this particular, I guess we call it a street. And now we're back to the beginning of the Sucesso.